Boom! So your boy has got memory upgrade for his computer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the speed comparison when my computer boots up with an HDD which comes with it pre-installed, and how the speed improves when I put this bad boy in. Now this is a 250 GB SSD from Samsung. It is 860 EVO. So I have purchased this and this caddy from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to both of these guys so you can go out and purchase. And this is my laptop. It is Inspiron 3542. I think most of you guys are having laptops like this one. So the purpose of creating this video is that if you are considering upgrading your HDD to SSD for development purposes, I think you will get your answers in this video. I'm not going to demonstrate how to install these devices in your laptop because there are a plethora of other tutorials which deal with that sort of stuff, and seriously, I think that they have done a lot better job than I could have ever done as far as demonstrating installation of these devices is concerned. My point is to prove the difference between the boot up timing and the application load up timing of the development workstation. So let's get started. So let's try to boot up my system from hard disk drive. So it has taken solid almost 3 minutes to boot up to the login screen. And let me try to log into it and try to launch Chrome. So it is going to take even more time now because Chrome is a memory hog and it eats up all of the memory your computer has. And of course it has to crash. Now this is Ubuntu 16.04. I hope you guys can see that as well right here. Let's quickly launch Chrome. Nothing seems to be happening as of now. Sometimes I get confused, like, is the application launching or what? Of course, it has crashed yet another time. So this is my daily routine whenever I try to launch something or whenever I try to boot up the system. That is why I went to Amazon and purchased this memory upgrade, because I knew somewhere that I had to do it. So Chrome is still not ready, I guess. Let me try to click somewhere. Okay, it is not yet ready. So it has been more than 5 minutes now and the computer is still not ready for any type of mainstream use. I mean, you cannot even go to facebook.com. Let me see if it is responding now. Okay, can I type? Okay. Now after 5.5 minutes the system is ready. I mean, it is ready and it is in a state where you can actually do something, or at least you are able to surf the internet. So now I am going to install the SSD and I'm going to install Ubuntu 18.04, which is recently launched on that new SSD upgrade, and then I will again record the boot up timing and the launch of Chrome browser on my system again, so as to make a good comparison between the speeds. Okay, so I'll see you in a moment. Alright, so I have installed my SSD in the HDD slot of my laptop, and I have installed the existing HDD using KD inside the optical drive space. Now I have also installed Ubuntu 18.04 on my system, and now I am going to boot the new Ubuntu from the SSD. So let's watch how long it takes. Okay, see, it only took 45 seconds to boot up. And let's try to log in. And we are already in within almost a minute. So it is at least 5 times faster on my system. Although I had been using that old installation for like 6 or 7 months, so you could actually count in the lag which is due to older files and all applications that were starting during the boot up. But still, I think this SSD is quite a lot faster than the older HDD. So if I go to disks, I don't know if disk is there, then you can see that the older hard disk is also there, and all of my existing data, I mean even the Ubuntu installation, is still there, so I can access the data. I have not formatted yet, and my Ubuntu is running from this SSD. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is something I wanted to demonstrate on this video. So if you are considering upgrading to SSD, I think you have got all of your answers in this particular video. And make sure to subscribe to this channel in case you are interested in learning more about programming, or you like to create new applications and everything in between. Take care. Bye bye.